We are human beings. Animals can get programmed. Human beings have been endowed with the free will to choose their programming. We can change the programs. God has blessed us with a free will, the freedom of choice. Why has God given us all a free will? Because He has created us to love Him. Love is only possible where there is the ability to choose. If we didn't have this ability, there would be no scope to love God. A machine cannot love. Because God wants us to love Him, He gives us the freedom of choice. That freedom you have at every moment.